Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the IceRiver AL3 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 16.3 kilograms and gross weight about 17.6 kilograms. IceRiver AL3 supports the Blake 3 algorithm, allowing you to mine ALPH cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 15 TH/s. Its power consumption is 3,500 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well, with an actual hash rate of 15.05 TH/s. The power consumption is approximately 3,422 watt, noise levels are around 77 dB. The exhaust temperature is 71 degrees Celsius, and the surface temperature is about 47 degrees Celsius. How to set up the mining machine to make it work properly? Open the official website of IceRiver, click on the batch management tool, click on the download, open the software, detect the IP to find the mining machine we are now connected to. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on the ALPH price of $1.31 on January 2, 2025, and the current mining difficulty, the IceRiver AL3 miner generates an estimated daily revenue of approximately $23.74. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the IceRiver AL315T is one of the highest performing mining machines for ALPH on the market. With the current coin price and machine value, it offers a relatively fast ROI. Designed for ALPH mining, it is an excellent choice for large-scale mining farms seeking long-term use. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly.